Hello guys, today I have the Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how to fix the phone heating while charging. Remember, that's normal when you charge your device using the fast charging. But if it's normal charging, not fast, you need to, at first, go to settings. Here, scroll down till you see battery. And scroll down again. Here, as you can see, we have battery switch by application. Here, the first application is the most actually powerful and the most battery draining. Tap this application and check for the background activity time. This means that it's actually bad. We need to go back and tap apps. If you don't care about notifications, do the thing that I do here. Tap your application, for example, it'd be AliExpress over here, and tap battery usage. Here, tap restrict by 5D, and OK. Now, apart from that, the next tip is that you need to use the original charger and a cable. Apart from that, avoid using your phone while charging, for example, gaming, and remove the heat. Remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. And of course, as a final tip from me to you, charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.